Katika manya kwa Ramogi juanga mano duond jafombo maro mano marol media services mungere kaka Charles Gikunga kowuok gwenge mag Kiambu. Winjo kanyo kwacho nyaka sani ji adek otho e masira makamano kana gorofa makamano nolwar gwenge mag Kiambu mane e gweng mungere kaka Kirigiti. Kanyaka sani ji ochiko mabende ne oresi no ringodo e karod thieth. Kaka mano ng'ata achiel e masani bende gidhi nyime gi chenro mar rese kabla nyaka sani pod omoko kama bende horofa makamano ne olwar. Chenro makama endi kaluore gi chala mano mar wach mar lwar mar orofa makamane e gwenge mag Kirigiti wabiro bedo kwami kwa dhi nyime gi chenro makama. Kopogore gi mano bende kinyi makawuono duol makedo ne ratiro mag oganda mapachoka mongere kaka the Kenya National Commission of Human Rights. Okinyi makawuono gintiere gi romo mabende gi bago romo mabende gichiwo godo Ripot mano kaluore kaka yiero mahigani ne otim. Kwa kamano wadhi ne achiel kachiel wawinja ne kaka remo makamano biro bedo katimore. Mae romo mabende dhi nyime jafwambo mara Walter Nyambaga nitiere e romo makamano.
Humane in their conduct and response. Their restraint in use of force is highly commended. We thank you, Mr. Bruno, and your team. Please pass our commendations to the Inspector General. We also wish to applaud IPOWER in the same turn because it is the systems that IPOWER has put in place that has made the force realize that they are being watched and they have to observe human rights tenets in their operations. So we thank you, Chair. Thank you very much for your input. At this point, I would like to just take a minute and remember that the security agencies who work for us also suffer. I'd like to recall our officers who were killed in Tiati yesterday. This in the line of duty and very, very sad and unfortunate. We want to send our condolences to the families of the officers who have died in the line of duty. And we want to remind Kenyans that officers are human beings too, and they also have human rights. And we will work as a commission to ensure that their human rights are respected. As they serve you, let us honor and respect them as human beings. They are our brothers and sisters too. So we mourn with them and we send our condolences to the force and to the families. In relation to special interest groups, the Commission lauds the voters for electing an increased number of women, youth, and persons with disabilities. There's, however, still need for improvement in the voting facilities for persons with disabilities and older persons, and we shall be elaborating on this as we go forward. This report highlights an increase in the number of independent candidates elected. This could mean one of two things. It is either a positive trend indicating that our country